Sam notices that his school bus has trouble getting down his road due to the number of cars parked. Sam notes down how many cars each household owns, including his own, and puts the information into the following bar chart. Question 4. The road is 5.45 metres wide. The cars are 130 centimetres wide. The bus is 2.8 metres wide. How much clearance in centimetres is there if a bus drives along the road with cars parked on either side of the road? First of all, we're told that the road is 5.45 metres wide, or in other words, it's 545 centimetres wide. And we're told that the width of the cars are 130 centimetres, so it would be 130 centimetres on both sides. If I add those two distances together, those two measurements, that gives me 260 centimetres in total taken up by the cars. And furthermore, if I subtract that from the total distance of the road, so if we subtract 260 from 545, 4 take away 6 I can't do, so we'll decompose, and 14 take away 6 is 8, 4 take away 2 is 2. So that leaves us with 285 centimetres, and we're told that the bus is 2.8 metres wide, so 2.8 metres is 280 centimetres. So therefore we've got a total of 285 centimetres left. The bus is 280 centimetres, and therefore we have 5 centimetres left of clearance for the bus to get through. We'd write the answer 5 like this and shade the 5 like so.